Place the door frame onto a flat surface or your workstation. Measure the door frame so you can make sure you use the correct size door sheet. Then fix the sheet to the frame using the 10 by 16mm coloured self-drilling screws. Using a tape measure and marker, work out the distance from the end of the door frame to the middle framework. Then drill into the corrugated grooves to finish attaching the sheet. For this next part, using your trestles, place the door on top of your workbench. Then grab your door flashings and attach them to each side of the door. Fasten the flashings with 4 rivets on both sides. And if required, 3 along the edge of the flashing. The handle, it's easier if you grab some smaller drill bits, as you will need to drill an 11mm diameter hole into the sheet and the central door frame, approximately 75mm in from the edge. Once you have done that, place the handle through the hole and attach the handle using 12 by 45mm self-drilling screws. Now grab the door tongue and slide it over the handle shaft and fasten with the screw that's already attached. Now you need to attach your hinges. Measure approximately 300mm from the end of the frame and use that marker for the edge of your hinge. Then grab your 10 by 16mm wafer head screws and fasten all the hinges to the edge of the door by drilling into every hole of the hinge. You have now completed your door, and it should look something like this.